The third kinesio technique I'll show you is of the lumbar spine. As you can see here, Tim is in the child's pose position. This position is with your bottom onto your heels and reaching forward as far as you can. This puts the lumbar spine on stretch, which we need for the kinesio taping technique. From here, I'm using the same dot as I did for his lower back injury we taped earlier on. 2 strips will be applied either side of his spine, and then another strip applied across the dot to give the lumbar spine the maximum amount of support. I have cut approximately a 15 to 20 centimetre strip of kinesio tape, which will run either side of the spine. So you need 2 of these strips. Again, anchor the strip off approximately 10 to 15 centimetres below the point of maximum pain. Apply a nice amount of stretch to the tape, approximately 75 to 90%, all the way up, and then anchor it off. This tape runs along the muscles of our lumbar spine. The same thing will be done on the other side. A nice amount of stretch to the tape, the same as the other side. And both pieces of tape should be even in length. From here, a smaller 10 to 12 centimetre piece of tape should be used. Again, I've got the edges rounded, and this will be applied over the area of maximum support needed. This will run horizontally from one side to the other. Anchor the point down on one side and pull across, and then a period of no stretch from the end of the tape. And that gives his lumbar spine the maximum amount of support using the kinesio tape technique.